Here I have REALME C1. Let me show you how to use eye protection mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use upper bar twice, and here let's tap on the night shield. Night shield is like the eye protection, the night mode. Let's choose enable now, and as you can see now you can use the night shield. If you would like to find the night shield settings, let's hold down the night shield a little bit longer, and here you can enable now the following mode. You can change the color temperature, the display effect. You can also here use the scheduled time to switch on night shield, for example from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. or you can set up some other rules. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.